Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cornmeal, made from drying and grinding dent corn, ranges in texture from coarse to fine. It's more coarsely ground than corn flour. But, essentially, cornmeal is the same as corn flour and can be used interchangeably once you take into consideration the textural differences between the two.
Take our lead.
While cornmeal and corn flour are both made from milled, dried corn, they differ in texture completely. Cornmeal feels gritty, while corn flour is fine and smooth. The degree of milling determines the texture of the flour. Corn flour is finely ground, while cornmeal is coarsely ground.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The two products of corn cannot serve the same purpose in a recipe. As corn flour is not rich in gluten, it makes wheat products easily crumble and dense, whereas cornstarch is used as a thickening agent in dishes like soups, stews, sauces, and gravies.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.